Good morning. I am Esther Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the topic on mineralogy. Mineralogy is nothing but the study of minerals. Is called as the mineralogy. In this video we are going to discuss about the mineral called as the iron. As we all know, iron is one of the most familiar mineral that we all know about the iron. This iron is one of the sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks is nothing but the rocks that is formed due to the sediments is called as the sedimentary rocks. Basically, there are three types of rocks. One is the igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and the metamorphic rocks. These igneous rocks are formed by the cooling of the molten magma is called as the igneous rocks. Next one is the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks is the continuous sediments of the minerals is called as the sedimentary rocks. Next one is the metamorphic rocks. When we come into the iron, this iron is one of the sedimentary rocks. This is formed due to the continuous sediments of the iron ore material. This is called as the iron. Next one, the formation of the iron. As I said, it is formed by the continuous sediment of the iron. It is called as the iron mineral. When this reacted with the iron in the sea water to form a iron oxide mineral on the ocean floor, this is called as the iron formation. Next one, as we all know, the iron has a high physical properties such as the tensile strength of the iron is very high when compared with the other minerals. Next one, it has a 530 megapascal of tensile strength. Tensile strength is nothing but the resistance to the breakage of the mineral is called as the tensile strength. Next one, it has a high ductility. Ductility is nothing but the the iron mineral can be formed into any of the shapes that we desire is called as the ductility. It is more used for the industries nowadays. So the iron mineral is more ductile in nature. Next one, it is the magnetism property. One of the most unique property of the iron is the magnetism. Magnetism is nothing but the attraction of the iron minerals is called as the magnetism. There are two types of magnetism. One is the ferromagnetism. Ferromagnetism acts as a magnet and it is attracted to them is called as the ferromagnetism. Next one is the workability. When we come into the iron ore mineral, the workability of the iron is very high due to its ductility and malleability. Ductility is the we can change the shape of the iron mineral into any of the desired shape, any of our desired wish. So that is called as the ductility. It is also high tensile. It has also high tensile strength. So it can bear any of the load. So this iron mineral is used in many of the construction materials and also in the machine productions. These are very resistant to the hammered and it can resist all the loads, so that it can be hammered, it can be rolled, it can be formed into any of the shapes. First one is the cast iron. Next one, ductile iron. Next one is the white cast iron. Next one is the alloy cast iron. These are the types of cast iron where this type of shapes can be manufactured by its property called as the ductility and the malleability. Next one is the types of ore minerals. In this iron there are four types of ore minerals. First one is the magnetite. Magnetite is the it is the high grade ore. It contains 70% of iron. Next one is the hematite. Hematite it contains around 60 to 70% of iron. It is one of the most important ore where this hematite is used in all the machine manufacturing processes. Next one is the limonite. Limonite is the is a hydrated iron oxide with a 40 to 60% of iron, where when it compared with the hematite, it is hydrated iron oxide, where the hematite contains 60 to 70% of iron and the magnetite contains 70% of iron, where the magnetism is better in magnetite when compared with the limonite. This limonite has a hydrated iron oxide. The iron content in this limonite is low when compared with the magnetite and hematite. This magnetite and hematite will be used in all the types of manufacturing machines. Next one is the siderite. Siderite is the low grade iron carbonate ore. It has less than 50% of iron content. So this siderite can be used in few manufacturing materials. So when we compare the four types of iron ore materials, the magnetite has a high iron content. So this magnetite will be used in all types of manufacturing processes. These are the four types of iron ore materials.